Welcome to the future of selling. Tagshop.ai's product videos. Your shortcut to studio quality content that make your products impossible to ignore. Want cinematic visuals, human-like avatars, or persuasive spokespeople? We've got it all. Let's break it down. Start with a single image. Describe your dream setting, running shoes on wooden floor, or luxury watch on marble. Or let our AI match the perfect style instantly. Hit Generate Preview and watch AI magic happen. Your product reimagined like never before. Love it? One click and it becomes a cinematic video, ready to wow on any platform. Add the human touch. Choose from a diverse cast of lifelike avatars who match your audience vibe. Describe the moment. Avatar holding perfume bottle close up or wearing sunglasses outdoors. Our AI gets every detail: pose, mood, emotion. See it, love it, and make it move. Get authentic, UGC-style videos. No shoots, no stress. Turn an avatar into your personal brand ambassador. Upload your product and add your message. Choose the tone, voice, language, and backdrop. Click Convert and watch your avatar speak flawlessly. Gestures, lip sync, and charisma included. Every tool follows one simple flow. Upload, describe, preview. Convert, ready to own the spotlight. With product videos, one click turns imagination into conversion. Start creating today.